Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello dear readers! Welcome to Read Your Channel. I am Teacher Jem, your reading rescuer for today. In the last episode, you have learned the different sounds of the letter I and letter N. So today, in this episode, we are going to learn a new lesson. So, are you ready? Let's start!
Let's start by identifying these pictures. What is this? Yes, it is a mushroom. How about this second picture? You are correct. This is a mango. How about this picture? Yes, it is money. Now, do you know what is the beginning sound and letter of these pictures? Yes, the beginning sound is That is the sound of letter M. Again, the sound of letter M is This time, we are going to practice more reading words that have the beginning sound. Listen carefully. Mango. Mask. Money. Mother. Again. Mango. Mask. Money. Mother. Now, let's practice more. Listen carefully. Am. Am. Man. Pan. Mat. Tim.